If you've ever worked on a team project or managed files across multiple people, you know how important it is to give the right people access to your Google Shared Drive. In today's video, I'll walk you through exactly how to add someone to a shared drive in Google Drive step by step, so you can collaborate more effectively without any confusion. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Shared Drives. This is where all your team or organization's shared drives are located. Next, select the specific drive you want to share by double-clicking it. Once inside, look at the top of the page and click the Manage Members button. This is where you'll control who has access to the drive. Now, you'll see a field where you can type in the email address of the person you want to add. If you're working with a larger group, you can also enter a Google Group email to add multiple people at once. After entering the email, you'll need to assign a role. The drop-down menu lets you choose between different permission levels. Viewer can only see the files, commenter can leave feedback, contributor can add and edit files, content manager can organize and manage files, and manager has full control over the shared drive. Once you've set the right role, decide if you want to notify the person by email. You can check or uncheck the box depending on your preference. Finally, click Send, and that's it. They're now part of your shared drive with the access level you selected. And there you have it. Adding someone to a Google Shared Drive is quick and easy once you know where to look. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to try it out right away so your team can stay organized and productive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.